loves, welcome back to my channel and a new video. So today we're going to be making avocado oil. Yeah, you heard me right, avocado oil. And I'm super excited for this avocado oil because it's really very beneficial to the hair and to the skin. So yeah, these are my ingredients: avocado, goya oil, tea tree oil, and black castor oil. So I'll go ahead to split my avocado into two with a knife and take out the flesh.
Don't care who you are or who you want to be. I'll be here until the day that you leave me.
So now I'm done taking out the flesh. I'll go ahead to put this in the blender and add my goya oil and my almond oil, because we're not using water to blend this. We're going to be using oil to blend this, okay?
When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your
Wow, look at that smooth paste. So yeah, I'll go ahead to put this in my frying pan. As you can see, there's nothing on my frying pan, so I'll just go ahead to place the paste on my frying pan, and I'll come back to add my olive oil as the base oil that I'll be using. Definitely you can stay without adding any oil and allow the avocado paste do its thing to get its own oil out, but I need a base oil because I need my avocado oil to be a little bit much. So just watch. So now after adding my oil, I'll go ahead to keep stirring this. You just have to keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. You stir till you get a brown like consistency. By that time the oil would have gotten out of the paste, and you see that you get lots and lots of oil from this paste. Just keep stirring.
Don't care who you are or who you want to.
Yeah, you can see this is it. These are avocado oil. It now has the brown like consistency, and the oil is so much that you can barely see the paste. So now I'll go ahead to use the stick material to separate my oil from the shaft.
When I'm with you, I know I'm safe beside your arm.
You can go ahead and not add a carrier oil, but the oil you're going to get from this avocado is going to be really very small. Nothing to write home about. That's why you see me adding more olive oil to be able to get more avocado oil from the paste. Okay, so now I'm squeezing out my oil from the cloth. The shaft is in there, as you can see, and I succeeded in getting just my avocado oil. Yeah, I'm so excited because this is like my first time to get avocado oil. This is my first time making avocado oil. So now I'll go ahead to add my castor oil and my tea tree oil. For added oils, you can add any oil you have at home. You can add your coconut oil, olive oil, almond oil, just name it. Any oil you have at home, you can add it to this mixture to just give it a good smell, and yeah, you're good to go.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in your heart? Trust you more than anyone I have met before. Don't care.
So now, after stirring these together, I'll go ahead to bottle up my avocado oil, and it's ready for use. You can use it on your skin, or you can use it on your hair. It is really very beneficial to the hair. So you can try this and tell me what you think about this. Getting avocado oil in the market is really very expensive, so it's better you make it yourself. Okay, so I'll be using mine for my hair, and here are the benefits of avocado oil to your hair. So avocado oil reduces dandruff by preventing your hair from drying out and flaking when used in moisturizing your hair. It also prevents breakage, because when your hair is dried and brittle, it can easily break, so applying a little oil to your hair can make it more flexible. It can also be used for hot oil treatments and also to massage your scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.